No one prepared you for the grief that shows up before your loved one dies. It's called anticipatory grief. It's that deep sadness, worry, and emotional pain we feel before someone dies. It's that feeling when you know loss is coming, but you don't know exactly when. And it starts to feel like you're losing somebody in slow motion. As uncomfortable as it is, I like to think of anticipatory grief as kind of a healthy survival skill. It's our heart's way of preparing us. You don't have to pretend to be okay, and there's no right way to grieve. This kind of grief is especially common in hospice care, where families witness a slow, often subtle decline and changes in someone they love. You're grieving what's ahead, losing their presence, their personality, shared routines, and all the future moments you thought you'd have. Anticipatory grief also is an unexpected gift. It helps us say goodbye and make the most of the time left and express what truly matters. If you're feeling stuck and you don't know what to say to your loved one, you can start with one of these. I love you. I'm sorry. I forgive you. Forgive me. I'll miss you. You don't need to say all of them. Just one can open a door. There's no perfect script. The gift is in speaking from the heart. And when you do, it can serve both of you deeply. I remember a patient recently whose wife was his caregiver, and she coped by staying extremely competent. Meds were perfectly organized, routines tight, every instruction followed perfectly, but she was emotionally locked down. One day I asked, so how are you doing? And she just said, fine, fine. I stayed quiet and waited, and within 20 seconds, the tears started to come. She shared her fear of life without him, her guilt about wishing the end would come. I didn't say much. I just listened and let her speak. At the end, she said, I was so afraid of all that coming out, but I do feel better. I gently encouraged her to tell her husband everything she had just told me. She did, and a few hours later, he died. Anticipatory grief is hard, but it's also a space for healing, connection, and closure. And just making room for those emotions can bring peace, and especially for the one who's staying behind. So please click the link below and get a copy of our booklet, The Hospice Care Plan. Nancy and I wrote this booklet to help families and caregivers know how to effectively and compassionately care for the hospice patient.